naiwan si Chloe. Wala si Chloe sa likod. Saan si Chloe?
Parati yung si Chloe.
Wala, naiwan ata doon.
What?
Si Chloe.
Naiwanan.
Ay, naiwan.
Si Chloe.
Ala, balikan doon. Nasaan si Chloe?
Oh, hindi nga natin siya marinig, oh. Wala.
Sabigaw nga ko si Chloe kung nandyan. Tawagin si Mama.
Chloe! We're here at Farm Plate.
Ano meron dito?
Lunch.
Ayan.
Gutom ka na, Abby?
Yes.
I'm so gutom. Are you going to try
Pinangat.
local dish?
Yes.
Pinangat.
Pinangat.
What's pinangat?
Chicken na pinaangat.
So, this is where the I Love Lizzie movie was shot. We did watch this. I remember all of these scenes.
Cash lang po. Pero sa loob po, pwede po.
Card. Okay. Akala ko farm plate, kainan lang. Pasyalan pala ito.
May entrance pala dito.
May entrance pala. So, kailangan natin makita yung Little Chapel.
May chapel daw dyan.
Ito yung kay Carlo.
Gian, go! Gian, go! Sige, go! Sige, slide! Go! Dali! So ito yung mga kainan nila dito. This is farm plate. I think this is good in the evening. In the morning, it's hot. Ang pinangat, laing?
Oo.
Saan gawa yun? Yung dahon lang yun, gulay?
Yun na may
Gabi.
O, diba, adobo sa asilip yun? Opo. Ay, alam niyo, ito may baboy. Ito kare-kare. Anong sila din yung kate? Alesa, may pinangat yung fried. Pinulukan.
Abi, ano sa'yo? Meron pa naman ibang option doon. Pero ito Bicolan.
Burgers.
Yun doon, burgers. Ako ito.
Kare-kare ulit.
Oo.
Sige, ano to?
Tabi o kusido.
What's kusido?
Masim yung parang siyang
Fish.
parang siyang sinigang.
Ayan na lang sa.
Port Bicol Express.
Kare-kare yan, yung gaya niya
Mas
kahapon.
pengi ako.
Ito yung ito.
Kare-kare.
Ito na.
Ayan. Natin karang meron dito. So dito naman is burgers, chicken. Sarap. Pasta and meals. Saan yung Labi! May Starbucks. Kita mo?
Si Kuya, tanungin nyo.
Oo bang may Starbucks sa loob? Ito pala yung halo-halo. Hindi. Shake. Saan yung halo-halo? Totoo nga. Brewed coffee.
Water, soft drinks, or what? Ay, kailangan sa water.
May ice kaya?
Here daw.
Wala.
Hindi malamig. Di ba sabi ang gusto niya,
Kaya nga, hinahanap ko. Saan yung halo-halo? May nagpipicture-picture na mag-isa. Si Gian pala.
Kung nakaluhod ka.
May nakakontsaba na. Ayan na, pareho.
Ma'am, 1.5 ka ba soft drink? Royal. Ice bread.
How much?
Spread. Magkano yun?
25 po.
May free na yun, glass.
Wala po.
Uy, para sa mga bata yan.
Mamaya tita, baka tayo.
Uy. Time. Serve food.
Lagay mo ito.
I'll be trying a local dish.
Cocido.
Cocido. Look how majestic this volcano is. Perfect cone. Kaya natin kung kaya natin ma-zoom. Nandun pa. That's the smallest chapel in the Philippines. Mom is going there right now. we're done here. We're done taking photos. We're done having lunch. Done relaxing, taking a break, going to the next destination. We're not going to the highlands anymore. I think it's just the same like this. So we're just gonna go to Third Black Lava. Ano yan? Tubig? Sprite? Thank you. We're leaving the place now. We're here at the statue now. Hindi na bumabay-iba. Picture na lang si Mami. And the mayon is 11 ticket. We're here now at the Black Lava. Not sure if it's worth it. Naubos na yung lakas namin buong araw. So, nagdi-discussion pa sila kung pupunta kami. Ayun o, Noy. Tinan mo o. Doon manggagaling sa bato.
Iupo ka, kaya mo.
Tapos pabalik dito. Nakaupo lang, Noy. Oh.
Nagabidyo pa.
Nakaupo lang siya.
Gusto mo? Akit na doon.
Gian, di ka pwede. Gian, di ka pwede umatras ha.
Hindi ka pwede umatras.
Baka mauna na si Will dito. Mag-isa ka doon. So we're going now to Black Lava. So ayaw nila umakyat kasi it's a walk. So kami na lang. Dalawa ni Gian. And then we're going to do zipline after. It's just 5 minutes walk. 5 to 10 minutes walk. Depends on you. And kikita mo na yung bulkan dito. Ganda. So I hope maganda rin sa taas. Ay, kaya naman pala. Sobrang bilis lang. Ayan, dito na kami sa tuktok agad. Sana maganda siya. Ayan natin. Nasaan na ba yung bulkan? Yung zipline area. Siya yung bulkan. Ganda. Yan na yung bulkan. Yung zipline. Ito na kami nagyan. Lurumbok. This is the helipad. And yung mayon. Yan. Mag-zipline na siyan. Ito yung mga gamit nila. Hindi yan nakakatakot yan. Sarap yan pag after mo maganyan. At upo ka lang naman. Ready? Ando na si Javi tsaka si Gian. Zipline sila. Go, go! Next.
Huwag mo lang impitan yung hawak. Relax ka lang.
Relax lang.
Ang paa mo, straight po. Straight po, punta doon. Taas mo yung paa. Hindi, papunta doon. Punta doon.
Yan.
Dalawa.
Okay.
Baba mo likod mo ng konti.
Oh. Bye-bye! Go, Gian! Go, Gian! Galing tapang.
Tuwan-tuwa ang bata.
Ano kuya, kumusta?
Saya?
Ayos.
Ayos
Hindi ka
na.
natakot. Hindi ka natakot.
Hawa kaming dibdib, kumakabog-gabog. Ano yung ano niya?
Nanginig yung tono.
Hindi na makatayo.
Kaya pala sila yung kumuha ng bato. Sige na, hawakan mo naman yan. Yan mo lang.
Ang bigat mo daw! Ang baba mo na!
Baliktad man ako. Ano ba yan?
Na ano?
Nabaliktad na po yung ano ko.
Kapag-video na lang po siya.
Video ko wala sa ano.
Video lang, hawak ko lang siya ganyan. Para alam mo yung dinadaan na.
Hindi ka natakot?
So, wala daw umuli.
Hindi ka natakot, Gian?
Tinatanong ka.
Hindi ka natakot? Wow!
Bara lang daw siya lumilipad.
May iba di nakakatakot.
Sabi niya sa akin, nakakatakot.
Si Chloe naman daw. No? No?
Oh, thank you, kuya.
Thank you. So, kuya.
How was it?
Good.
Easy?
Easy.
That was fast, right?
Yeah. Sarap. Maganda naman din sa taas. Overlooking sila mayon. Kita lahat ang mayon ngayon. Tambalan na sila pakita.
Kaya nga.
Kanina wala. Time yun na talaga maghapon. May
Talaga?
time na wala. Na takip. Nice.
Some rocks from the volcano has a different texture.
Uulitin daw.
Ginawa ni Gian. Oh, Gian ah. Galing naman ni Gian. Tapang-tapang. We're here now at the Cagsawa Church. Cagsawa Ruins. Ito pala. Entrance is 20 pesos. We went here kanina kaso walang view. So, bumalik na lang kami. Kasi na si Mayon. Kana, picture tayo.
Pang-reels na.
Even the sand is from the volcano. This is the popular Cagsawa Church ruins. This was a church before and that's the only part of the church that's left for people to see. It was caused by the volcanic eruption many years ago. Is gonna try sili ice cream. It's a delicacy here in Bicol. So whenever you're in Bicol, you should give it a try.
Manghang to?
Ako, meron po.
I know may level 2, level 3, may volcano level, may level 1.
Saan ang mas hindi masyado? Level 1. Level 1. 2 meron. Level 2. Ay,
ayun na ba sila?
ano yan binili nyo?
Hindi, gusto niya i-try yung sili.
Same na yan?
Ito po yung colonial original sili ice cream. Meron po kami homemade, may sili ice cream.
Sarap. Manghang.
Hindi masyado.
Okay. Level 2.
Oh, go. Try. Try.
100, no? 100. Ito yung sikat daw na original dito. Ang first na gumawa, di ba? Tignan natin kung masarap ang first.
Masarap po yan.
Or ang sino ang mas masarap? Ang homemade? Ang masarap ang homemade. May free taste?
Wala, 110
110.
110 din yung 3 things.
Yun lang. Bakit strawberry?
Sili?
Hindi, ewan ba ako siya yan.
One yan?
Masarap.
Kaya yan.
May microwave kayo? Tigas eh.
Lalambot din po.
Basta try mo lang.
Eh, kung may matigas na
Yung,
ice cream.
ano, yung spoon na kahoy para hindi siya mag-
Lasang sili. Creamy.
Pero, spicy?
Sa dila, sa dila. Nasaw yan.
Oh, nandun na siya. May spicy na siya sa after. Pero maanghang siya. Pero,
Kaya nga sili ice cream.
Creamy naman ha.
Fishball to. Ay, kwek-kwek. Ang kwek-kwek may fishball. Magkano sa fishball, te?
8 piso po.
Sige.
8-5 piso.
15 po.
Isang ganyan.
Ako fishball tsaka kwek-kwek.
Ilan po ang fishball?
Gusto mo rin ba?
Yeah.
Dalawa. Ikaw gusto mo ma?
Bali ilan po? Bali 3 kwek-kwek.
Hindi, dalawa lang. Mag-kwek-kwek ka din?
Magkano bang kwek-kwek?
15.
Yung dalawa?
Yung tatlo.
Ilan po ang fishball sa'yo?
Yung limang ano lang.
5 piso lang.
Tapos ang kwek-kwek. Ay, hindi na pala po. Magkano na ako sa isa lang kasi ito ko eh.
So cute. There are kids playing out on the street. Reminds me again of how it was before. Cute. Their life. I hope they enjoy that until they become adults. Start thinking of life. Enjoy, kids. So we're back at home in our place here in Bicol. I just finished taking a shower. That's the first thing I did when we arrived. Sobrang hot, but it's okay. We had a great time. We enjoyed this day. It was a great day actually. We started early, we finished late, and it was perfect because good weather and the volcano showed up. Even in the morning, it was a little shy, but showed up towards the middle of the day. And all of the activities we did, we enjoyed. I'm glad that I was able to spend this time with my cousins and my mom, who joined the ATV, who almost fell, and also joined us in our trek in the cave. She doesn't usually do these things, but glad she did. She pushed herself just to have some fun with us and enjoy this time with us, with her apos and her son. My heart is full. I'm so happy this day happened. This is what I envisioned for this trip. Didn't really plan that much because I just really want to spend some time with my mom because I've been away, and every time I come back to the Philippines, I'm always busy at work. I only see her once or twice for dinner, and we play cards because she likes playing cards, and that's it. This time I really took time to really bring her back to her home province. Bicol is my mom's province, and this is her turf, this is her hometown, and I'm glad to hear her stories, her telling us things, places. Sorry, got distracted because my cousins are leaving now, so I had to say goodbye to them. Only Ian, Lisa, and my niece Chloe are going back to their home because one of the pigs, because they have piggery, is about to give birth. Probably today. That's why they have to go home. Gian, my nephew, will be staying with us. My mom's favorite, Apo. So yeah, it's just gonna be us for tonight. Ang sarap ng feeling na naligo ulit. Kasi sobrang init. Pero kawawa si Habi because namumula talaga na naman siya kasi na-expose talaga kami sa araw. Katigasan ng ulo, hindi siya nag-sunscreen. Kinuha ko na kanina, nag-sunscreen na ako. Ayaw niya. So anyways, I have to do some work because I didn't do work the whole morning, although I'm on leave today, but I have to catch up on a lot of things. I see some important messages already in emails. We still have 2 full days left here in Bicol. I don't know what's our plan for tomorrow. I think my conversation with the driver that we hired today, we might go to Sorsogon because I really want to explore that southernmost part of Bicol, which I've never been to. I've only been to Albay. I asked him to send me some itineraries and I'll have a look and we will decide tonight. But I really want to do something tomorrow. All right, good night. Today, instead of Sorsogon, we're going to Naga. A quick stopover. Welcome to Isaro.
Imagine, no, doon tayo nang galing, no?
Ikaw din, ma. Ikaw din. Matamis? Ala, parang gusto ko try. We're here now at the Church of Peñafrancia. Welcome to Apple's mother. Kasi gusto nilang hawakan. Ay, parang sa Quiapo.
Oo, parang sa Quiapo.
Antigas pa rin ang katawan mo.